Hey Tech Besties, welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm kaetalkstech. So I wanted to tell you about my side hustle idea. I had this idea that what if because I believe that tech should make people's lives better, right? And I was having some experiences that I didn't appreciate, and I thought that I could use tech to make my life better, and that would extend to other people. So I thought, what if there was a place where I could bring together the community of people who look like me from an economic perspective? And in that place, I could support businesses, organizations, social media sites, realtors, street vendors, people with food trucks, professionals, and also allow just, people who want to be a part of the situation to do that. And this place could be a directory. And so with that directory, I could direct my dollars to support my community. What if I could create a place like that and keep it low cost, and so it would be accessible? And then for other people who don't look like me, who want to support people who do look like me, they could come and use this directory as well. They wouldn't be in the directory, but they would be able to use the directory. What if there was a place like that? I just got tired of, I'm spending my money and you're disrespecting me at the same time. It's too much. And I thought, you have all this tech experience. Why don't you put your money where your mouth is and build it? And some people like to say, build it and they will come. And I know that that's not true. But I built it anyway. And I put it out there a little bit, but they didn't come. And the people who looked at it said, this looks great, but the interest in joining it was low. And I don't understand why. And, even though I gave it away for free, I didn't get much traction. Now, part of the reason is I wasn't consistently putting it out there because life be lifing. And sometimes when you have a full-time job and you're a single parent and you're trying to keep your tech skills up, that one extra thing that you really love and believe in is just something you don't have time for. So I've been inconsistent with it. And even when I told people I knew about it, the attitude was kind of like, there's a lot of those directories. I'm like, yeah, but this directory is everybody. It's not just businesses. It's everybody. Even other directories can be in this directory. So I said, okay, they're not ready for it. And then around the time that we heard about Project 2025, and when Black Project 2025 came out, I said, well, that's almost the same as my product. I should put it back out there. And so I did, with the same result, because I put in the same effort. But I think now we're in a different era. We're in a different situation. We're in a different position. Everything just hits differently now. And I think this is something we probably need now more than ever. And I think that people will be more willing to support it and to join it. And so in order to get that going, I'm giving it away for free again. Now, my name begins with the letter K, so I have about every nickname that you can think of that starts with the letter K. And one of them is Keita. Now, I'm out of my Keita phase. But I named this website Keita's List just because I was thinking of it as a list. It's a list of Black-owned, Black-led, Black-managed organizations and businesses and social media sites and, professionals and just anyone that has something they want to contribute can be a part of this. And there's a place for you to put events and so forth. And I'm not 100% finished with it, but I'm announcing it now anyway because right now it is free of charge. So I guess that's my Black Friday sale. Or maybe my Blackity Black Black Friday sale. So now the directory is limited to U.S. Organizations, but at some point I hope that I'll be able to go international, but I'm starting with what I know. So here's a place that we can bring together our $1.8 trillion to support each other, support our community, and be supported by others who want to use the directory. Using the directory is free, okay? I'm still building it, and I'm hoping that you would help me. If you find a Black-owned business or a Black social media site or any of the others that I named, and think of the word bloom. It's time for the Black community to bloom, right? Bloom as in blossom. So bloom stands for Black-led, owned, or managed. So think of bloom. I haven't incorporated that word into the website yet, but yeah. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have a business or organization, then join it. Again, this is for businesses, organizations, social media sites, professionals, and personal profiles for Black people. Okay? That's what the directory is about. However, everyone is welcome to use the directory. Okay? So, yeah, that's my side hustle. Well, I guess my other side hustle. So let me know what you think. Thank you. And, always come back here again where we will continue to talk tech. Bye.